Hi friends, welcome back to another Frosty Eye Candy Quickie. So from the beginning of the video, you know our pillow paint, you know my pouring medium, and you know the cell activator I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to get straight on with putting down some paint. So first of all, it's the opaque Cool Blue from Art Deco. Sorry, Deco Art. Isn't it a fabulous, stunning contrast to the kimono violet. Okay, next we have, of course, one of my favourites, TLP. This is Velvet Interference Blue. Thank you, Velvet. Next we have Sapphire. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous deep blue. Oh, a deep sapphire colour. And again, a lovely contrast to the velvet that we've just put down. So a rule of thumb is, guys, if you're wondering how much colour to put down to cover a canvas, this is a 12-inch cradle rather. I find that if I lay my colours down and the colours are almost about a third of the width of the cradle, when you blow and spin it out, it'll cover the canvas nicely. If you want more negative space, I would just use less of the pigments and your paints. This is a fantastic one. This is Comet. We love Comet. I'm waiting for some more Comet in the post. Thank you, Comet. And of course, those last three were semi-transparent. And now we're going to finish off just with a little touch of permanent red violet from Amsterdam. Just give the cell activator something to sit on nicely. Now, I'm almost running out of butane with my torch, so I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah, that's popping the bubbles nicely. I know some people don't like to torch, but I must say I've done it many times and never had any problems whatsoever. Okay, so I'm going to use Prussian blue cell activator. This is a few days old, so we'll see how well it lasts, how well it does. Okay, now we're going to blow it out, guys. Okay, I'm just going to try and break up a bit more of this cell activator. Just going to blow the cell activator in the middle a little bit. Okay, well, we're just letting the pillow come underneath our colours. I'm just going to blow out these edges just a little more. Excellent. Now please don't judge the quality of the modification here. I'm just going to actually remember to modify the bloom, so I'm going to just put in a couple of lines here and there. Excellent, that's I think all we really need. Okay my friends, I'm just going to help the paint over the edge as we usually do. Okay guys, so ready to give her a nice gentle spin. Remember I've got my hand just on the edge here guys, as you can see it's catching the drips, stopping them coming off and making a mess. Oh excellent, she grew beautifully there, didn't she? Okay, so I'm just going to move her over a little bit. There we go. Excellent, we have nice coverage, the paint has come down evenly over all four sides. Just going to get rid of this excess paint so it'll be easier for me to contain the excess paint. I have my trusty rag with my favourite chomp cleaner on it, the cleaner that eats latex and acrylic paint for breakfast. Okay, she's looking very pretty indeed. I'm very happy with this. So let's give her the counterclockwise spin. I had to think to get it right. Beautiful. As I've said before many times, I like being economical with my paint, but there's something to be said for getting that balance just perfect, and the more pillow paint you actually use on a piece, the greater the design and the bloom will be able to grow. You obviously have a finite amount of then too much pillow paint, but it's just getting that happy medium of just enough so with a couple of spins it removes the excess paint and allows the bloom to grow nicely. Okay, excellent. Time to give it another spin. Wow. Quite gorgeous actually. I'm just going to tip it away. Sorry, I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. And then you'll be able to see the design, which is quite pretty. And I'm just moving the paint down to that end. Just a little. So on the next spin, we should hopefully get a little more coverage. Just got to remove this excess paint again, guys. Quite a vigorous spin, but we want to get the colours to stretch over to the edge of the canvas, so I'm going to give her another spin. Excellent, and I think I'll just give it one more for good measure. Excellent, there we have coverage to the end. I must say I'm very happy with this one. It's come out very pretty. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can get a better view. There we go. Let me try and move it around. There we go, and you can get the gold flash, the red gold flash from the comet there. And you can see the blue flash from the velvet. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. Yes, you may have noticed I am in a pair of swimsuits because it's very hot up here where I live at the moment. I live in the mountains, and I do so because I love the winter and I love snowboarding. But I'm built for the cold weather. I'm not built for the hot weather. It's currently 24 degrees in my house and I am dying. I know many of you might find that hilarious, but 24 degrees is too much. Anyway, we'll finish on a close-up, my friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Share if you like what you're seeing. And as always, my friends, happy pouring. So here's the close-up, guys. I'm trying a new technique. Not doing the handheld close-ups anymore because they're too shaky, but just give you a nice close-up with the video here with the piece on a spinner, and I'm going to just gently rotate it for you. I'm absolutely in love with this big wing of cells. I think it looks like a dragonfly wing. And these cells here are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm in love with those. Well, I'm in love with all of it. It's a beautiful piece. I'm very happy with this. Excellent. So there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much. And as always, again, happy pouring.